What's going on, guys? Thanks for checking out the video. Part 1 of the Hemi swap Jeep Renegade. I guess we'll do a quick walk around. I'm a 2015 Jeep Renegade, wide body fender flare, full air ride suspension, airlift, everything custom. I had to fabricate everything. Well, I guess spoiler alert. I already got the wiring harness pulled out of the donor car, so pretty much going to be pulling the entire drivetrain, running gear, all electronics, full interior, for what I can, out of a 2016 Dodge Charger RT 5.7 liter Hemi. Should be enough to liven this. No, it's not a piece of shit. Should be enough to liven this thing up a little bit. So, yep. I guess we'll see what happens. I guess we'll jump to a time lapse of me tearing the car apart. I guess that's it. Alright, got most of the trunk pretty much torn apart, labeled what I can, and probably start working towards the cabin. Might tear the headliner out. Still got a good airbag. That one's deployed. Got a little bit of damage on the wires here from where it got caught. A couple scratches. Not too bad. Making pretty decent progress. I'll set y'all down again, get another time lapse. Closer look of, I guess, really the only thing that's fought me the whole time. The charcoal canister and the TPMS sensors wires all run through what used to be about a 2-inch round hole. Now it's just a slot. So should be able to get in there, spread it open, and hopefully get these pigtails shoved through. Yeah, guess we'll see what happens. Alright, guess we'll go for end of day 1 teardown on the Charger. Not as much as I expected, but did alright, I guess. Pretty much all of the harness labeled, disconnected, pulled pretty much to the B-pillar. Got the harness pulled out of the doors. Now I gotta start pulling up the carpet. Gotta start pulling up the carpet and seeing what's under there. See, we got more harness. But I didn't think this through. I gotta hook up the battery again somehow and move the seats forward. You know, unexpected stuff, but yeah, it happens. Alright, guess that's it for today. Pick it back up tomorrow, see what happens. Alright, end of day 2, stripping out the interior of the Charger, yeah. Decent amount of progress. Got the seats pulled out, nasty ass carpet pulled out, and center console pulled out. Probably can't see anything, losing sunlight, daylight savings. It's not not working with me, but yeah. Probably go after the dash and keep tearing out the wire harness tomorrow. I mean, make a little bit of progress every day, and get it. I'll probably get it in a few days. Alright, guess we'll pick up tomorrow. Alright, welcome back, guys. I guess a quick update. End of day 3, coming into day 4, the teardown of the Charger. Yesterday evening, ran out of battery in the GoPro, ran out of labels for my label maker, and ran out of light. Almost ran out of patience on this dash, but as you can see, I got the dash tore out. Looking pretty bare, but I still have a decent amount of wires to label. Start tearing out the airbag, AC controls, and steering column, brake, center console. More computer stuff. But yeah, making decent progress. I guess I'll keep at it. Quick update. Pretty much all the firewall or everything on the dash has been tore apart. Still have e-brake, brake pedal, gas, and AC controls. Still gotta pull all that out. But I think I'm gonna start with cleaning up. I got quite a mess going on. Pretty much just threw everything in here at the end of the day, and now I got a mess. But, alright, I guess I'll put it down, do another time lapse, and get this place cleaned up. Alright, finally some actual progress. Got, as you can see, the entire wiring harness for the interior, from fuse panel, main power to the engine, every single sensor labeled, hopefully. Hopefully I'll remember where everything goes. But, as you can see, interior is stripped down to floor pan, firewall. Still got the e-brake, hood release, and a few other things, but for the most part, completely gutted. I'd say next step is going to be, might try to get this thing on the lift. Yeah, I might try to get it over to the lift and start tearing out the drivetrain. Go with the engine, transmission, and see if the rear end is in any decent shape. It did take a pretty good hit on that far corner over there. Suspension did get tweaked. I got a new hub on the way, new spindle assembly, because that got pretty cracked. But I don't know, I think I'm at a good stopping point for right now. Alright, yeah.